If you want to look put together fast, start with your brows. This can be very lifting instantly and then move up to adding some color to your face with a blush. I'm using a jelly tint by Makeup Revolution. I'm using it on my nose too and also on my lips to add a tint of color. Now, this is a good base for me to start and judge what else I need. And now I'm using the good old Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. I'm using a little bit in the darker corners near my eyes and just a little bit around the corners of my mouth to give it a lift. And the biggest trick that I can give you to have the most impact out of your concealer is to wait it out, let it dry a little, give it a minute to dry so that you get the maximum payoff from the concealer, from the little amount of concealer that I've used on your face. And when it gets a little dry, with very little lightweight motions, you can blend it and you will get a lot more coverage out of that single spot. You can see it for yourself how beautifully this one spot of concealer blends in to give me so much coverage and brighten the area in the inner corner of my eyes. And this can be really helpful. And also, when you follow this method, the concealer doesn't crease as much. Now I'm using a powder. This is the Studio Fix by MAC. You can use any compact powder, and I'm just using it lightly to give me a little more coverage to conceal the acne spots that I have. Not major, but little bit. And just I'm not covering the cheeks fully, but just a very sheer touch of powder on my entire face and a little bit on my forehead. And that's it. That's this much of coverage is good enough for a daily look. You don't need much. The least amount of product you have on your face, the better it shows up. And next, I'm moving ahead to my lips and lining it with a good quality lip pencil. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the color Rosewood, and it's a very beautiful neutral rose color lip pencil. I am slightly overlining my lips just to give it a little more shape and definition, not too dramatic, and just dabbing in a little bit of lipstick. This is a very beautiful color by Milani, and it is called Secret. I'm just dabbing it a little in very little amount towards the center, focusing on the center of my lips, not giving it a very full blown lipstick look, and just merging it to give it a natural color. And last but not the least, little bit of mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Panorama mascara here. And the final glamour quotient here is to just brighten up my eyes by using a very beautiful creamy pencil, nude pencil by Juicy Chemistry, by Color Chemistry. Their color range is called Color Chemistry. And this instantly gives that oomph factor, that X factor onto your eyes and your face. And I'm also using it to highlight a little on the bridge of my nose, just to make it look a little more sharper, and also above my cupid bow so that I get a little more sharp structure above my lips. I like doing this personally. This is a very personal taste. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make yourself look presentable with very little amount of product. And that's it. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.